Yeah, hi, morning Graham. It's Mark at FMAV. Just to let you know that I've repaired your laser. Basically, I've put a brand new laser in there. I've had to change a cog as well. Okay, now I just want you to know that your unit has been opened. Now I don't know whether you've done it or someone else has done it or what. There's 2 screws missing at the back board. So I don't know where they've gone, and the cog in there, I've changed the cog because it was really, it was bent, so I don't know how it was actually working, or whether this was done when someone's tried to look at it or something, and also the ribbon cable was a little bit ripped, but thankfully it weren't broken. But yeah, it's all working now, as you can see. That's your unit there that you've sent to me. It's all working as it should be. You got a 6-month warranty on that. You know, there's no extra cost there for the cog. I usually do charge for things, but I just want to get the unit back to you and just, you know, I've got quite a few of them, so I ain't gonna squeak. So yeah, there you go. It's all working, and like I say, you got a 6-month warranty on it. So that's still on the actual laser. Okay, no other part of the equipment, by the way. So yeah, but any problems, give us a call, and we'll be happy to help you out. So other than that, enjoy the repair, and hopefully you leave us good feedback. Thank you very much, Graham. Have a great day. That's in the post to you today, by the way. Thank you.